Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Ardil and today is all about the absolutely incredible two things actually. One thing is the product, which is called Target Blu Eye, and then we've also got an incredible vehicle amongst us. We have the Ferrari 812 GTS. So firstly, what is the product? Target Blu Eye is basically an emergency service warning device that alerts you by a visual and audible tone of approaching emergency service vehicles. Yes, I know that's got your attention, and yes, it is as good as it sounds. We have been working on this absolutely stunning vehicle, the Ferrari 812 GTS, and what we've actually installed is this product. The way we've installed it is in our bespoke way. So we've got our antenna run into the front of the vehicle with zero interference run into the vehicle. We've got actually the control box mounted inside the vehicle, completely hidden. And then the display is not something stuck on the dashboard, it is actually fully integrated into the Ferrari factory rear view mirror. What's involved in that is actually a hell of a lot of work. We've got to disassemble the factory Ferrari mirror, strip the vehicle down, and then also add and relocate our PCB board inside the factory rear view mirror, which is no easy task, as you can imagine. However, it is well worth the wait, because once it's done, the factory look, the OEM appearance of Target Blu Eye, with the added functionality of knowing where vehicles are as they approach you, that is marked and unmarked, and it is fully legal as well, guys. A phenomenal product that I really hate driving without, and I try not to. Pretty much every single one of my cars has the product in, and Blu Eye is actually one of those products that, as I put it in so many vehicles over the last few years, the product is a ridiculous level of repeat business, because once you've had it, there is either you're doing two things when you sell that car. You're either taking it out and moving it to your next vehicle, or you're buying a new one if you sold it with it in. It's the number of returning clients that I have for Target Blu Eye. Once you had it, it is so hard to drive a car without it. Enough said about that. If you're interested in having the product installed in your vehicle by our team here in Cambridge, feel free to reach out to us. It's all over our website. Make sure you go check that out. All the links for everything is in the description below. But thank you once again for watching. It's been an absolute privilege and honor working on the Ferrari 812 GTS. I'll see you on the next one.